Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. I'm coming back for you, baby. Full story. There was a woman from St. Thomas, Jamaica. Let's call her Honey. She was married to a short man who built a house at the river bank. The house was in a very dangerous area. If the river came down very heavily, it can wash the house away into the sea. When the man gets upset, he is loud and aggressive. He got several children with Honey, and she made a living by selling farm goods in Carnation Market. One day the husband got sick, and they laid him to rest on another side of the river bank. He raised from his grave in the spirit world and attacked Honey several times, trying to take her with him. His duppy kept on attacking her until church people eventually had to gather around her to help fight him off. Honey lived for a long time after that, until she was about 103 years old. Honey had a granddaughter that was in her early to mid-40s. Her mother was in her late 50s. The mother and daughter had children for the same man. He was an old married man. They were not ashamed of disgrace in the family. The man was a troublemaker old man who worked Obia from he was young. When he passed, Honey's daughter and granddaughter passed away shortly one after the other. He wanted his wife to go with him, but church people had to put nutmeg in her mouth corner and let her rub up with blessed olive oil to chase his demon away.
Like and follow for more.